try to recall somebody who you knew very well, who has passed through the gate of death. Your mother, your aunt, your friend from school, somebody you had a very intimate relationship with. And you recall a time when you were really together. You know, had a real heart-to-heart encounter, very amicable and pleasant encounter with this other person. You recall that to your mind's eye as you are going to sleep. And then as you are doing that, you ask the question, you know, and I've done that many times, and you know, try to solve the problems of the world, you know, like what is cancer is one I asked. And personal stuff, where I just serious questions. I had no idea what the hell was going on in my life. So I just asked, and then the way they answer you is it comes from within you as a revelation, as an insight. Ah, now I get it.
Yeah.
That's their answer to you. Mm-hmm. So you speak out of your soul to them, and they respond to you from within your soul. And you can ask them. That's one way. Now, the unfortunate thing about many, many thousands, millions and millions of souls that have passed through the gate of death in the last 500, 600, 700 years is that if you haven't developed a spiritual conception of the world and your place in it, and many other things which I did discuss. I gave that lecture on life between death and rebirth. And the whole lecture is on my YouTube channel. I put every single one, because I can only put 15 minutes up at a time right now, because that's a constraint of the software I use. But there's 7, I think there's 7 issues of that. 7 of the life between death and rebirth. So you can watch those and listen to what I said about it. Because there's many instances, because we have to prepare for our life between death and rebirth here on this earth. But anyway, you can take a book by Steiner and you can read it, not out loud, just read it. But as you're reading it, just picture in your mind's eye that you're reading to the spirits of the dead. Because this is nourishment, spiritual nourishment to them, which they are desperate for. That's how you contact the spirits of the dead. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I felt that people that I have loved